Good morning, good afternoon, good night to everyone who's watching, and welcome back to another video. So today we'll be showcasing and unboxing cars from Tarmac Works. So here I bought out two Tarmac Works from my collection, and this is something that I got recently. We'll open this and look at this. And when it comes to Tarmac Work, I used to collect different cars too, but now I'm focusing only on the cars which have taken part in a race with the specific livery and their name. So basically it comes in a acrylic case like this, and if you see in the case, it is mentioned where this car took part, and in some it also mentions what race it took part in. And they also give you a collector's card. We can see that collector card when I open the Porsche. Now this is the AMG GT3. So this took place in Macau GT Cup. Okay, let me just show the base right instead of me. So this took part in Macau GT Cup FIA GT World Cup in 2019. Won the third place. It was Eduardo Mortac. I don't know who that is. I don't follow these races, but I'm sure I'm definitely a fan of these race liveries. So that's the reason why I got this. And one of the main reasons, I think when I bought my first Tarmac, it was an Audi R8. I remember sitting in Coffee Day, opening the real car in my laptop and looking at each and every single detail and comparing it with the model I had. So the details, when I say compare, I mean to say pinpoint accuracy. It comes down to a level where there was a decal on one of the rims on that particular Audi R8 that also was there in the model. So this is definitely not a toy. This is not something you can buy and give it to the kid. Firstly, it's expensive. Secondly, they don't roll. So I guess most of you guys know they don't roll. So people in India, most of the collectors I've seen, they mostly go for Tarmac. When they hear the word Tarmac, two cars come to mind. One is an Agera and one was an RWB. The reason for that is they've released that in, I don't know, it is still flooding the market one after another. But yeah, I do have an Agera. The RWB, I'm still trying to find an RWB that I want. So this car and this car, again, I bought this mostly from fellow collectors who are kind enough to give me or buy and source these for me. And this is something that is very special because this was given to me by one of our friends, a collector from Bangalore who is no more. His name is Raja. I think most of you guys know him. Rest in peace, buddy. We miss you a lot here in Bangalore. Now let's move on with the video. I'll put these in the turntable. So let me put the AMG first on the turntable. You can take a look at the detailing. So when it comes to detailing, the front is beautiful. All I can say is I think the word here would be beautiful and accurate. That's the only two words there are to describe these models. Very well detailed. You can actually freeze it, go back, Google this particular car, Google that exact race, the exact car. You will get the exact car. Open it and put the video side by side and look at every tampo, every detail on this. They will be accurate. From the tampo that you see on the side which says Mercedes Me to the name, the SJM1, or even the name of the person on top, the E, it says E dot, I don't know, I can't pronounce his name. So every single detail will be there on the actual car. That is the level of detailing Tarmac goes to. Yes, it doesn't roll. Some people do complain it doesn't roll. It doesn't roll. It's a model. It's a static model. It is meant to be displayed. So if it rolls, if it doesn't roll, I don't really think it doesn't matter. At least for me, it doesn't matter. Now let's go on and look at this Evo 10. So this is in an Advan livery. very beautifully made again. I think this Advan livery was released in Hot Wheels. I did keep them next to each other. The Hot Wheels one is very big. Now here you can see the drivers here. I think this is a Japanese flag there. So this took part in some I don't know, JRC Tour D a race in 2008. Very beautifully made again. Insert lamps. You can even see the interior detailing. You can see the seat belts, the bucket seats. Everything is very well detailed. Beautiful car. And yes, this almost rolls, but again, beautiful stationary models. If you have this, don't keep them in a box, display it any way possible. It comes in a beautiful display case. Display it. It's very beautiful. Now let's get to this, the Porsche 911 GT3R. So this is a 2018 Macau race livery, and I had another version of this which was green and white. So whenever I get a version of this particular car, if I like a different version better, once I get this car, I sell off the previous one. So that car I did sell it off. And let's open this. Let's look at this closer. Okay. Now this is the box itself. Beautifully, you can see it has that blurring effect. I think that's the side of the race tracks. You can see the actual car here. This is the actual car that took part in the race. Let's keep this packaging aside. So the box comes like this, and this is the card that I was talking about. So you get a card like this with every race livery cars. You get the chassis number, vehicle chassis number there. What is the number? I don't know how many of these were produced, but you get your number here. Very nice card. I like this card actually. I have the cards for every single. I don't have a card for this Lancer actually. I think Raja never gave it to me. So that was the second tarmac work that I got, I guess. Now let's go ahead and look at this. So I like this because it was black and had that mirror finish. Let's open this there. I'll remove this from the base. We'll just take a look at the thing. So it has that textured road look of the base. Then you have Porsche 911 GT3 Macau GT Cup 2018 Matthew Jaminet. Okay. So now let's look at the car itself. I don't have words to describe it because you'll have to Google the real car, look at the tempo on this and the real car, then you will know what level of detailing is there on this car. I guess I'm just going to let it take a few turns on the table because there's nothing that I can tell. I think the car itself speaks. Very beautiful. I love the mirror finish on the car, the spoilers, even the antenna. Oh my god, beautiful and accurate. You can see the tow hook in the front. Okay, that's metal too. The tow hook is metal. I was expecting that to be plastic. That's also metal. And these have plastic base. Let's look at that. Let's see if it rolls for all the people who want a car that rolls. Okay, the front rolls, kinda rolls. Doesn't really matter because the car itself is beautiful. Yeah, they are a little delicate, but it is beautiful. Okay, that's it for this video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope I have got some people to actually like tarmacs, the race livery, and if you get it at a good price, do go ahead and buy it. It's amazing. You will be blown away when you see the level of detailing on these cars. So thank you for watching, guys. Have a great day ahead. Bye.